Everyone, welcome back. Today we have Hololive. I really have been meaning to buy packs of these, but I never gotten around to. But I decided, hey, what the heck? Let's let's buy three. I'm asking the store I bought it from if they have any, full boxes. But let's see. Let me know who's your favorite VTuber, and I might let you know mine. Oh, hey, starting off good. Check this out. Don't know. Sorry, I don't know all the names of the VTubers yet. Just started getting back into them. Oh, I know her. No. Oh, first pack, not bad. Got a good card. All right, let's go with the second one. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, I know her. Mokoko. Been watching their stream so far lately again. There you go. The ruffians. Hey, look at this. Another one. Put this in the front. Sorry, Mokoko. Not bad. Hey, we got Pekura. Nice, nice. We get something good in the last one? Let's see, let's see. Let's see. You got a first repeat. Oh, the twins. Fuamoko. Hey, we got a different. Hey, we got Fuamoko, guys. Check it out. All right, from let me guys, let me know who's better. What do you guys like better? Not bad. Some pretty good cards. I like the artwork very, very much. I really do. They are very, very well made. I'm gonna try to get a box and open it for you guys. Check it out. Nice. All right. There you guys have it. Leave you at that. There you go. All right, guys. Let me know what you think later.